Hi guys! Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and I'm here today with my Ipsy Glam bag. Now this is $14 and $1.99 for shipping. And it's got some weird little thing on it. I don't know, maybe it came off one of my other boxes. I don't know. But I think I did order a couple add-ons this time. And this is a subscription box. And with this, you have the option of every quarter, you can change it to the icon box, which it will cost you more money, but you get full-size items, and they're usually really well done. Yeah, I did order some add-ons. So, these are my add-ons. And I got these because they were only like $4 or $5, and, you know, good brushes at that price. Make good Christmas gifts, stocking stuffers, things like that. See if I can open it. And you have your face brushes. Here you have your angled foundation, your blending blush, your blenders. You get 3 of them. They're very well made. They're a pretty color, and they're made by I don't know what they're made by. It says stay sparkly. What does that say? Mimi's Glam or something like that. And then this, I'm going to have to get my glasses. Okay, I've got my glasses. I forgot them. I forget something every day, I swear. You'd think I would be used to this routine by now, but I'm not. Nope, not me. So, now let's go back and see if I can figure out what this name is. I don't know. Or you can look for yourselves. I have no idea. Okay, and then this is Kiss and Smink. Okay. I don't know what that means. And I can't open it as usual. Some of these little tabby things on the ends are just awful. Oh, and this is a liquid lip, I believe. Oh, it's probably one of those ones that you can use for both. That's probably what that means. And I'll just do it right there for you. It's actually pretty close to the color I have on. And it's just right here. And I think this was like $3. So yeah, I'd like to go on there and get those sometimes because, well, they're at rock bottom prices. And this is, let's see if I okay, this is Chica Beauty Eyeshadow Shader Brush, and I have a million of these, and I don't really use them often, but it's a nice brush, so I will probably put that up for one of the girls. Okay, and this is like a nipper. You know, like that nepostyrene, kind of feels like a diver's material. But this is this month's, and it has a cute little, so that's cute. It's a very cute bag. And they change these bags every month. So, oh, and I don't know if I told you, but this brush is valued at goodness, they write these things. No. I would just put them on the screen. It's just going to be easier that way because I can. Okay, and then we got what ain't it? This is JLOBEAUTY, and it's brightening and firming serum with niacinamide. I find myself saying, gee, could they have spared it? And that's what it looks like. And I'll yeah, it's on that. I will say that. And what is this? This is Balance ME Pro and Probiotic Cleansing Milk. And that is it really does. It looks like milk. There you go. It's like cream or something. And there's that. And it just foams it up. And it seems to be breaking down that in there, so there's that. Smells really good. This stuff smells really good. Yeah, it smells really good. And then we got Wander Beauty Mile High Club Length and Defined Mascara. And that's what that looks like. And that is what the wand looks like. So there's that. Geez, this one's a short one. And this one is SOPHIA and MABELLE Tons Too Pretty Palette in Sunlit Sand. Goodness. And now let's see if I can open it. Let's see, my knife's right here. So we might as well just use it. There we go. Okay, which way does it go from here? There we go. And that's what they look like. And there's those two, right here and here. So it would be like a highlighter. And then the bronzer. Yeah. But yeah, they're very pretty. And I'll put the prices and the value on the screen because I really can't see that. Yeah, this is $22. And this brush was 10, so you've already got your money plus there. So, but it comes out once a month, and I do enjoy getting it. It gives you a chance to try different things. And so anyway, that's June's bag. So come on back, like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff.